Hare Krishna, everyone. It's me, Andrea. I'm so happy that you're joining me for another Krishna Kids art video. Today, we're going to be making a beautiful butterfly for Radha and Krishna. I love imagining Radha and Krishna playing in the Vrindavan forest and surrounded by beautiful butterflies. And today, we're going to make one. Let's see what we need. Today we're going to need a piece of cardstock paper, a pencil, an eraser, a brush, scissors, and 2 types of acrylic paint. I'm using red and blue, but you can use any 2 colors you want. The first thing we're going to do is fold our paper in half, like a book, and then press down on it to make a good crease. Now that we have a fold, we're going to draw the outline of a butterfly wing on it. It's good to make your butterfly wing as big as possible so you're using as much of the paper as you can. Now that you have your butterfly wing, we're going to cut it out. Great job! Now we're going to open up our butterfly wings and put some paint inside. You can put dots of paint anywhere you want. Put as much paint as you're happy with. You could put all of one color paint on one side or all on one color paint on the other side. Doesn't really matter. Once your paint is inside the butterfly, you're going to close the butterfly and then press down on it. Press really hard. Now open up the butterfly and see what you have. Wow! Amazing! Your own unique, beautiful butterfly for Radha and Krishna. Haribo! This is my butterfly. I had so much fun making it, and hopefully you did too, that I decided to make some more butterflies. I made some smaller ones. Let me show them to you. And these had 3 colors in them. Here's 1. Here's 2. This one had different shape to it. And then my last one. 4 butterflies from 1 piece of paper. So again, if you had a lot of fun making these butterflies, you can make some smaller ones, and once the paint is dry, you can even draw on them and decorate them some more. And remember, I love seeing pictures of you doing your Krishna Kids art projects. So please have your parents email me pictures, and you can find the information in the description of this video. Until our next video, friends, I hope you have a great day. Haribo!